Friends, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today video is how to open all Samsung TV's smart and non-smart hidden service factory menu. So viewers, I am sharing many methods, so watch my video till end. Viewers, I will tell you step by step how to open the service menu codes. So first method is power on your TV, then its second step is press mute, then 1, then 9, then enter or OK from your remote. Then the service menu will open. Viewers, method number 2 is put your TV in standby mode, then press information plus settings plus mute plus power from your remote key. Then your factory settings will be open. Viewers, method number 3 is put your TV in standby position, then press mute, then 1, then 9, then power from your remote. After pressing these keys, your factory menu will be open. Viewers, method number 4 is put your TV in standby mode, then press from remote mute, then 1, then 8, then 2, then power key. Your factory settings will be opened with this code. Viewers, most of Samsung TVs have this code. Viewers, our next method is method number 5. Put your TV in standby position again. Press from the remote sleep key, then p.std. This is a picture size key in earlier remotes, then mute, then power. After pressing these keys, your factory settings will be opened. Viewers, method number 6 is put your TV in standby position, then press p.std, then menu key, then sleep key, then power key from the remote. After pressing these keys, factory settings will be opened. Now viewers, I am telling you the method number 7. Put your TV in standby, then press from the remote these keys display or info, then p.std key, then mute, then power. Wait for some time, then your factory settings will be opened. Viewers, method number 8 is put your TV in standby mode, then press from the remote display / info key, then menu, then mute, then power key. After pressing these keys, your factory menu will be opened. Viewers, here you can add or change or do your factory reset of your Samsung TV. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please tell us which code works for your Samsung TV. Also, if you know any other code other than described in video, please share in comments. Thanks.